Hello, kindergartners. We're doing ELA. We are readers, reading with purpose and fluently. I'm going to read the book, Why is Bird Smart? And I want you to notice what you hear in my voice, how I am reading. He likes to read about pigs. He likes to read about bears. He likes to read about cats. He likes to read about dogs. He likes to read about clouds. He likes to read about flowers. He likes to read about dinosaurs. He likes to read about bugs. He likes to read about ducks. He likes to read about stars. He likes to read about birds. What did you notice? I sounded like a robot. You are correct. I sounded like this, like a robot. I'm going to read the book again and see if you can notice the difference this time. He likes to read about pigs. He likes to read about bears. He likes to read about cats. He likes to read about dogs. He likes to read about clouds. He likes to read about flowers. What did you notice this time? I sounded like a teacher. I was using my teacher voice. I did not sound like a robot. I was doing a great job of reading the words and using my voice like I talk. That's called reading fluently. Say that with me. Reading fluently. Okay, we're going to try it together. I want you to now practice reading like a robot. Here we go. He likes to read about dinosaurs. Okay, you do it. Great. Now practice reading like a teacher. He likes to read about dinosaurs. Your turn. Excellent job. All right, we're going to practice again. First, we're going to read like a robot. Here we go. He likes to read about bugs. Your turn. Excellent job reading like a robot. All right, now we're going to practice reading in our Fluently teacher voice. He likes to read about bugs. Your turn. Excellent. Now practice reading fluently on your own. You're going to read like a teacher, either an ERLA book, pick a book of your choice, or you can go to Kids A to Z, and you're going to practice reading fluently like a teacher. Have fun reading in your teacher voice. Bye for now.